Hello and welcome to my video for this Nano Optics curved glass screen protector. It's tempered glass. You've got a little UV light that goes with it. Tells you a little bit about it. But I can tell you now, the only instructions that you get is what's on the back of the box here, so which is not exactly helpful, as you've got to hold the UV light over the glass for a certain amount of time anyway. But we're going to get through this, see how it goes. So inside the box you get the adhesive, you get the little UV light, obviously you get your screen protector itself, you get a USB cable, alcohol prep pad, you get your guide stickers and a very thin cloth. So let's go ahead, fit this thing and see what it looks like. Right, so this kit was a bit of a faff to put on, a bit messy. It's on, seems to be okay. Sadly I've got a little air bubble in there that I can't get out, but this UV light doesn't seem, it takes ages to do it with this. It really does. Luckily I've got UV light for another kit which is a bit more powerful, but you have to have a bit of patience and just sit there initially with it for 2-3 minutes, maybe top and bottom, just clean the rest of the residue off, and then just sit there for, I guess, 5 minutes top and bottom, just to set the glue properly. So, but as you can see, you've got plenty of room around the edges for a case. It feels okay. There's no oleophobic coating on it, I don't think. It doesn't feel like it. But I've just got to re-register my fingerprints. Actually, let me do that quickly. So fingerprints, it works. It's just when you put the screen protector on, you have to re-register your fingerprints. So, but it does seem to work quite well. So let's try a couple of cases. I'm going to try the Spigen rugged armour, and as you can see around the corners, it's tight fitting around the edges. But there's no lift around the sides, there's gap. So that's it for this video. So it's an okay screen protector. I know there's a more premium kit out there which will probably be a better fit and easier to put on as well. So, but I mean, this will do me for now. I think it seems to work okay. I just wish it had a bit more of an oleophobic coating on it. But other than that, it seems to be okay. I mean, for the price, it's cheap. Yeah, the S Pen doesn't glide over the screen quite as well, but other than that, I think that's it for this one. Please like, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you find out when my next video's coming out. And thank you for watching.